Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we'll be making and solving this puzzle box. We'll start off with the solve, so if you don't want to see the solve and make it first, go to the tutorial. It's near the end of the video and we'll get right into the solve. So let's solve it. The first step in this puzzle box is to open this little trapdoor right here. This enables this piece right here to pull out and spin. If you wriggle it around a little bit, it will come out. So it comes out and wriggle it a little bit and it goes straight. And now you can push that in, releasing this little button right here. With that out, we can press this in, which enables us to push that in. Now that this is out, creating space here, this piece can slide across, opening a space back down here, which allows this T-shaped thing to move down, which enables this hinge piece to move in. It's a little bit stiff, just push it all the way through, and now this prize piece can come out, but as you can see, it can't come out like this. So in here, pretty hard to see, but you have to pull it out, spin it sideways, then pull it out, and now you've got your diamond. For the reset, you just push it back in on an angle, push it in like that, push the hinge piece all the way back out, push the T piece back in, move this back across, push this back in, push that in, get that in, then spin this back around, push it back in that way, close the door, and there you have it. That's the full solve and reset of this puzzle box. Next, onto the tutorial. Before we get into the tutorial, I just want to say that this puzzle box can be made in any color, doesn't matter. And if you can't find a piece, just experiment and try and find a piece that, or two pieces that work. So like, for example, this 1x8 tile could be two 1x4s or a 1x6 and a 1x2. Just find some alternatives and you'll be good. So let's get into the tutorial. Firstly, we'll start with a 8x16 plate, and we'll start stacking these onto here. Get a 1x6 plate tile, another 1x6 tile, 1x4 tile, a 1x4 brick, a 1x1 tile over here in the corner, a 1x1 plate over here, a 1x1 brick right here, a 1x2 plate right here, then a 2x2 plate right here, over here, 1x2 tile, 1x2 plate, a 1x4 tile, a 1x1 tile, a 1x1 plate, another 1x1 plate, a 1x2 tile, a 1x1 brick, a 1x4 plate, 1x4 tile, 1x3 3 tile, a 1x1 brick, then place this 1x3 tile, on top a 1x1 brick, a 1x2 tile, another 1x2 tile, a 1x3 plate, 2x2 plate, a 1x2 brick, then 2 1x8 tiles right here, 2x4 tile just here, a 2x2 tile right here, a 1x1 brick, a 1x1 tile, a 1x2 plate, a 1x2 tile, 2x2 tile, 2x4 tile, a 1x2 brick, 1x1 plate, 1x1 tile, another 1x1 plate, a 1x3 tile, and then lastly a 1x2 plate. This will be the foundations of the puzzle box. Next we'll start placing these pieces on, a few less pieces than last time. We'll start with this 1x3 plate right here, then this 1x3 tile, then over here 1x4 plate, 1x2 plate, a 2x2 tile, a 1x2 tile, then over here a 1x4 plate, a 1x1 plate, then a 1x4, another 1x4 plate, then a 1x1 tile right here. Next we will start placing these pieces together. We'll start down here with a hinge piece, place that right here, and then 2 1x2s, place them on top of the hinge piece, and then a 1x2 tile on the left side, and a 1x2 plate on the right side. Next we'll start over here, a 1x2 brick on top of the 1x2 brick, 1x1 brick right on top of another one, and then another one on top of a 1x1 brick, then a 1x2 brick right here, and a 1x3 tile right there. Next we'll start over here, just a bit over here, 1x4 brick, a 1x1 brick right there, then a 2x3 brick, a 1x2 brick right there on another 1x2 brick, a 2x3 plate on top of the 2x3 brick, 2x3 plate, a 2x2 plate, and then a 1x2 tile. Then over here we'll place a 1x2 plate, place another 1x2 plate on top of that, then a 1x3 plate right there, a 1x2 plate, then a 1x1 plate in the corner, 2x2 plate right there, a corner plate here, and then to finish it off, a 1x2 tile. Next we'll start making some moving pieces. Start off with this 2x3 and 2x2 plates, obviously, and then a 2x4 plate to go on top of there, and a 1x2 plate just here. Next we'll go up, place this 2x4 plate right here, a 1x4 plate right there, and then just wait for those to get on. Place this 2x6 plate right there, and then place this 1x4 plate right here. Underneath, place this 1x2 plate here, then place this corner piece like that, and then place this dot right here. onto here. Place this 1x2 tile there, 2x4 tile there, your 1x4 tile there, 1x2 tile right there. To finish it off, a 2x2 tile just there. This should go into your puzzle just here. Should be able to safely moving around. Onto the next moving piece. Here we have a 2x4 brick, 2x2 brick, another in that formation, and place this 1x8 plate right across most of them, and this 1x6 plate across most of them again, and then a 1x1 plate right here, another 1x1 plate there, and cap it off 1x2 tile, a 2x4 tile, 1x3 tile, and a corner tile just there. This should go in your box right there. Should move up and down. Onto another piece. We'll start off over here with a 2x3 plate, a 1x2 plate, another 1x2 plate, this kind of formation. Get a corner plate, put that there. Get another corner plate, put that right there. 1x1 plate there, and a 1x3 plate just there. Then we'll place this corner plate right here, a 1x1 plate there, and a 2x3 plate right there, and then a 1x2 tile, a 1x3 plate, a 1x3 tile, and then 1x2 plate. To finish it off, get a 1x3 tile right there, and then a 1x2 tile right there. This will go in your box right here. Right. Yeah, right here. So it'll be out like one block, and there'll be a 1x3 plate that goes into there. Now we'll make 4 more moving pieces. I'll start over here. A 1x6 brick, a 2x2 brick. Place a 1x2 plate there, another 1x2 plate on the other side, and a 2x3 plate going over those two. Then place a 2x3 tile here, a 1x2 tile, and another 1x2 tile. This could be a 1x6 tile, and then another 2x2 tile. Then we'll go over here. These pieces are like hollow, got nothing inside, so they can move on a single stud. So we have 2 of those, 2 1x1 bricks. Place a 1x3 plate across there, and another 1x3 plate right here. Then place a 1x4 tile across those 2. 2 1x1 tiles just on the edges. Next we've got another clear piece and a normal 1x2 brick. There's a corner plate over here, 1x1 dot piece there, a corner tile, and a 1x1 dot tile. And over here, a 1x8 plate. That's a 1x6 brick on top. Then a 1x2 plate, and then a 1x2 tile. Then place a 1x4 tile right here, a 1x1 tile, then a 1x1 plate right there. In the box, these will go, this one will go right here on top of this dot. Should be able to swing out. This long T-shaped thing should go here. This short T-shaped thing should go right here, and then this moving place should go right here. Now we're up to our final moving piece. This is like the prize piece, so there is a diamond. We'll just start building on this side. 1x3 plate and a 1x2 plate. Place a 1x3 plate on top of those, and then get this holding piece that holds the diamond. Place that there. Get a 1x1 plate just there, and over here place a 1x3 plate all across that. A 1x2 plate just there. Then over here place a corner plate right here. 2 1x1 plates on either edge. Then get a corner tile, place it across. Place a 1x2 brick. Place a 1x1 tile. And then finally place a 1x1 plate. This 2x2 tile will go on last at the end of the video or the tutorial, but this will go into your puzzle box right here, facing outwards. Now we will start assembling the lid onto the box. We have 3 layers, so this is layer 1. Firstly, we'll start with an 8x8 plate. That'll go right here. Then a 1x4 plate to go right here. Then a 4x4 plate to go right here. And a 1x3 plate. And a 2x3 plate just hanging on. And then a 1x3 plate to go behind here. It'll be loose for the meantime. And then place this 1x3 plate right here. And then place this 1x8 plate on top. And then for this 1x3 plate, it needs to be here. So flip this upside down, place it right here. And then put it on to there. Next, we're up to the second layer. We'll start off over here, 2x16 plate on either side. I've just moved everything around. Right there. These should lock everything into place. Then 2 2x3s down here. 4x8 all the way through there. 1x3 right here. 1x2 there. Another 1x3 right here. And a 2x2 to finish it off. Now here we are, the final layer. This is just the aesthetic layer. So you can see I've got an S for Banksii, the C. And yeah, you can put whatever letter you want, initials or anything. Yeah, we'll just get started. So 1x8 tile right there, another 1x8 tile right there, 2x4 tile up here, a 2x2 tile right there, 1x6 tile down here, 1x8 tile right there, 1x4 tile in black for me, and then 2x4 tile in black, a 1x4 tile in white, a 2x4 tile in white, and a 1x6 tile in black, 2x4 tile in black, a 1x4 tile in black, 2x4 tile in white, a a 1x4 tile in white, then another 1x8 tile in white, a 1x2 tile, 2x4 tile, 1x4 tile, and now a 2x4 tile. With this, you can get that 2x4 tile that we set aside, and this will go right here. And there you go. That's your tutorial for this puzzle box. I hope you liked the solve and tutorial of this puzzle box. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.